So today was an amazing day with all of our team from Women's Institute to include our medical directors, our frontline team members, and leaders. We also had our entire Muma Children's Hospital team with our medical directors, frontline, and all of our team members there as well. So it was exciting to see the team just interact and light up when they really understood the theme of design and how it all connected. I think it ended up being a really great day and a great theme.
The keynote was unbelievable.
The reasons why I love interior design, why I think they're applicable for women's and children's. You have the freedom to decide what you should do, and it's broken down in a few categories. Choosing the right color palette, choosing a focal point and point of emphasis, adding personal touches, impermanency, thinking small to think big.
There's just so many similarities and just choices that we have. How do we work as a team so that it is, from a healthcare perspective, streamlined, operationalized, and with that common goal in mind?
Physicians can think outside the box. They are not just scientists, they can also think through the abstract of interior design and relate it to every day. Big shout out to EX3, also to TGH senior leadership.
At Tampa General, we work in lots of different teams. And so understanding yourself is kind of the first step in working in a team. It really required some self-reflection and gave the tools. I think that was really a brilliant piece of the day.
Because as healthcare, we're givers, we're servants, we take care of others, and we don't think about ourselves a lot. So I think today that personal commitment piece was really important in helping drive some ideas today.
We kind of worked on this theme, interior design, and to see how that played its way through the entire workshop and helping kind of discover different leadership styles and also different patches that you go through as leaders, seeing that culminate at the end, it all coming together was really, really impressive.
I do really think it helped charge idea creation and kind of more innovation with how we approach some really hard, really difficult problems in healthcare.
I love that activity. So looking at the boards through every table, I thought everybody used a lot of ingenuity and really outside of the box thinking. They came up with really great solutions. It was a great job by everyone today. It felt new and engaging and exciting, and I really loved all the conversations that were happening.
I think the most important part from the individual perspective was making sure that everyone is really aware of what their strengths are.
I am very, very excited to attend this workshop again next year. Really excited to see what EX3 has for next time. It will be a fun theme, I'm sure.